In this video, I will show you how you can add tags to a YouTube video. Now the first step is you need to actually upload a video. So I'll quickly do that and then I'll be back. Okay, now I have my video right here that I'm about to upload. You can type in the title, the description, thumbnail, everything. What you need to do is you need to go down until you find tags. Now from in here, let's say the video is about League of Legends. From in here you can type League of Legends, press comma, you can type lol, comma, you can type League of Legends esports, comma, lol esports, comma, and as you can see, if I type lol, it will bring up some keywords. That's if you have the vidIQ that I'm using. vidIQ is a Chrome extension. But yeah, that's how you can type in the tags from in here if you wanna. Then you just click next and then you have it. Another thing you can do is, let me just close this, go into content. If you have a video here, let's say this one, you can click on details. From in here, you can scroll all the way down and you can see the tags on the video. From in here, you can remove some tags, you can type a new one and save. So in that way, you can change the tags on an already made YouTube video. So that's how you can do it, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as that will also help me. Thank you so much for watching.